Okay guys, here it is, the Panasonic S5 Mark II. Well, the box is definitely smaller than the original S5. So let's hope Panasonic didn't skip on anything. Let's have a look what's inside. So, warranty shit. Come on, come on. Bubble wrap. Does anyone else like pushing these bubble wrap? Let's get this bad boy out. Alright. Here it is. The Panasonic S5 Mark II. Wow, it's still got this new smell coming out of it. Definitely smells great. Alright, well, the body is almost identical to the original S5 by the first looks of it. Alright, let's see what else that we got in this box. So we got Panasonic camera strap. We've got an USB-C charging cable, power adapter, European power adapter, or the Belgian one at least, and finally the battery. Alright, that's about it. So it seems they didn't include the original battery charge that they did include with the original S5, but alright, I guess we'll have to manage with this USB-C cable and charge it directly into the camera, but it will do. So that's the unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. As the next video, I will be comparing the image quality of the Panasonic S5 versus the Panasonic S5 Mark II. So see you there. Ciao.